Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the latest version of Python, and that is 3.14, and how actually you can set Python in the Visual Studio Code. So I will show you in this video. First of all, you have to download Python. So type here Python and hit enter and you will find it. So you can see this is the first thing. If you want to download the latest version, just click here download the latest version. And if you hover on the downloads option here, you can see 3.14. Just click here Python 3.14 and it will actually start downloading. And I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it once again. Let's go to the download option. Let's go to the download folder. Here you can see we have Python here. Now double click on the Python. And now just check all of them and go for the custom installation and select all of them, okay? And then go for the next. And now click here, check it, okay, for all users, and click here to install and hit enter and it will actually install. Okay, setup successful. Now close it. And now what you have to do, you have to install vscode. So just go to the browser and type here vscode and you will find this link. Just go here, click here download option and now click here Windows and it will be actually downloaded. Here you can see. So I already have downloaded this and I already installed it in my PC. Here you can see it. Now double click on VS Code and it will be open. And now go for the extension and here just search here Python. Okay, hit enter. We need a Python extension. Here you can see. Just click install and install it. And we need one more thing, and that is code runner. There you go, just install it. Now you can see we have successfully installed these two extensions. One is Python and one is code runner. Now you can actually run Python in VS Code. Now if you want to run Python code, just create a new file or folder here. So let's create open folder here. And let's go to the downloads and here we are going to create a new folder. Let's say test Python. Select the folder .py. Here we go. Now here we have a run code. Now click here run and here you go, hello world. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.